here is a big old deceiver, believe it or not.
They look at black people and know who we are. Yes. This holy person was hit in the head by 3 ruffians.
By 3 ruffians. Everything they do is coded with the number 3, 6, 9, and 11. People need to wake up. This one right here is a Freemason puppet. And they're selling to say, everything you hear out his mouth, that's what you gotta know. Everything you hear from Louise Farrakhan was written by the elite, no doubt.
To be loud, to be low.
There you go right here. This is what he got for the masses right here.
To be loud.
Take a look at it. This one right here with the square on the compass right there on the fucking chest. Wake your ass up. All of them is Freemason. And it's basically Freemason message Farrakhan bring to the masses right here.
And when he was hit in the head, he was carried to the North Country and buried in a shallow grave.
Somebody tell me how dumb that sound. You knock him over the head, kill him, and take him to the North Country to bury him in a shallow grave. What kind of bullshit is that? Why would you take somebody from one side of the earth, bring him to the next side of the earth just to bury him? It's bullshit. Everything you get from Louise Farrakhan is all garbage. 100% trash.
With a sprig of cassius coming up from the grave to let the world know that there's life down here. But who?
All black magic people, no doubt about it.
Who can get up the man in the tomb? Nobody but one with a master grip. Nobody but one with a lion's paw.
You hear he mentioned the lion's paw? It's nothing but the beast. That's who we promoting right here. God don't have no damn lion paw. I'm telling you people, you need to wake up and see these fake people for what they are. Louise Farrakhan, fake character they bring to the masses, all deceiving them.
The Bible says there's a lion asleep in Judah. Who will wake him? No pussycat can wake up a lion. And this pussycat leadership will never wake the black man up. You're too weak in your effort to free our people from the hand of the oppressor.
You're weak when you're not buying the bullshit from these guys right here. And you're talking about oppressor, talking all that shit, and the sleeping sheep's not gonna see this right here. What's that coming up? Highlighted in the background. What the fuck is that? Bud Light? You're talking about oppressor, and you're basically selling beer right here. You're doing a commercial for Bud Light. People just fucking dumb. What truth teller right here promoting the fucking Bud Light beer, the poison that they give to the masses right here, like a fucking basketball, football game or whatever. You go see them advertise the beer, okay? That's what you gotta understand. Small stuff like that, people don't pay attention to. I never miss. This motherfucker is the same people, same Illuminati puppet as everybody else. That's why you see the Bud Light right there in his fucking ceremony. 100% puppet. Bam! There you go right there. What's the difference between this one and the mainstream? You tell me. They're the same fucking shit. No doubt about it. Pushing and pumping their agenda on the dumb people. And tell me what he doing with this thing that in his hand right here. Nothing but trickery. He use it to wipe his mouth every fucking time. What's that about? Take a look at him.
This one is really a metaphor. It is an allegory, it is a fable that describes something that has happened person, one who is a direct descendant and has in his DNA that potential of building a new heaven and a new earth. His name is Hiram Abiff.
I don't understand what fucking shit this nigga talking right here. I don't get it. What you talking about building a new heaven and a new earth? People, I don't get it. It's all fucking satanic teaching. No doubt about it. You got a guy like Louis Farrakhan that a lot of black people believe in because he's spitting that black against white shit. That's why a lot of people jump on him, okay? He's a deceiver. 100% deceiver. Playing the masses. Divide and conquer method. The oldest trick in the book. That's what this one is about. No doubt about it. I ain't playing no more of this one right here. Man, foot in the ass.
To learn how to make $1,000, $3,000, and even $10,000 in the next 30 days.
No! Piss off.